One of the reasons I like working with Inkscape when I'm doing my artwork preparation for 3D models is if I find myself doing the same task over and over and over again, we can just create an automated tool to help us with our process. We don't have to continue doing everything manually. So we've created a couple of new tools here in the toolkit that I thought this project would be a really good example to show you how we can save a lot of time using these new tools that we've added to our toolkit. So let me show you an example here. So first things first, you see we have a bunch of groups. Let's go ahead and right click and ungroup everything. Let's go ahead and get rid of our background shape, and let's turn off the gold and green backplate. So we'll do that. And then let's also turn off the gold and green backplate of our ribbon. So we'll do that too. So that leaves us this. And you can see all these green bits and bobs above the white. Now the way Vectorize or AI works is you can see that green piece is on top of the white. And then what we would have to do is we'd have to take that green piece, shift click the white piece, and choose trim. Now I've done this so many times that I was like, you know what, we can do better than that. So you see here, this particular design, there's quite a bit of that. So we're going to go ahead and just select all of our parts, and we'll use this new difference tool that will automatically kind of look at all the selected shapes and take care of that for us automatically. So we'll do the same thing up here. We'll go ahead and use the difference shape, and there you go. You can see all that's taken care of for us. Now, there's another thing that I want to do is I want to be able to just select our color in a specific area. So, for example, I take my number 6 here and I right click here, and then I can go ahead and make a selection. And in that selection, I have gold, green, and white shapes. And now I can go ahead and just left click here, and it will process, and it leaves just the white shapes selected. So I could then combine those shapes. And I can do the same thing down here. I can set those to white, and you can see I have gold and white selected here, but it will filter those through. So I just have my white shape selected, and there you go. Okay, so pretty nifty functionality there. Now my stars here, I am going to go ahead and shift click those two and merge those together. But now I want to select the rest of my gold pieces here. So I'm going to go ahead and select a gold piece, and then come in here and make a selection, and then left click here, and it will filter through just leaving the gold selected only. So you see here, even though I had white and green also selected, and then I could just merge those parts only together. So now we have a gold object here. We'll go ahead and take these two green pieces here, and we'll go ahead and combine those. So those are gold, and our white piece here, our white piece up here, and then we have our 3 pieces of our M. So let's go ahead and turn those pieces on. Okay, now you can see our stars are missing. So let's come in here. There's our stars, right? We select our stars here. That's part of our gold package. So we'll go ahead and move that up. And I think that was it that we had to modify there. But you can see just those couple little tools there that just make the process just a little bit easier for us. So I saw myself doing the same thing every single design, and I was like, you know what? I need a tool that will automate that process for me and just make it so much easier. So that's it for this one, guys. So hopefully you find those tools useful. Uh, so until next time, thanks for watching.
If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.